Okay, here's an update on the angelfish fry getting bigger. And I think it's been a week since my last video. Excuse the uncleanliness of my tank, but the babies are so small it's hard for me to get in there and clean without disturbing or even killing some of them by mistake or sucking them up in the gravel pump. I got quite a few. There's like three generations in here from different parents as well. I just keep sticking them all in here. So hopefully we'll have to see what these turn out to be. They could be koi, they could be Filipino blue, they could be smoky. Anyways, thanks for watching.